I feel so privileged. This is great. So I have slow, quick, quick, slow. Romantic sway. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Make sure the weight's over that left foot, gentlemen. Right foot's free. I do my little check action. I'll rise up. I'm going to do another check, and I'm going to do an inside turn with the lady. Quick, quick, slow. Turn number 2. Quick, quick, slow. Opening out to a V. Crossover break. To a switch turn. Back and under. 1, 2. Okay. Ladies part on that. Okay. I forgot what it was. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. I'm going to do the romantic sway. Quick, quick, slow. I forgot what it was. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. We're going to do the underarm turn. Quick. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm messing this up. Cut that out.
Yeah, maybe you could just do it with Jeff.
Yeah, okay. I told you, masks do that where you're like, oh, I can do it. Sorry. All right. You ready? So we have slow, quick, quick, slow. Romantic sway. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. We're going to check. And lower. Rise. Underarm turn. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Make sure you're being here. Quick, quick, slow. Contact with your partner. Quick, quick, slow. Ooh, hello. Quick, quick,